Good morning. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called Drunk and Driver Alert System for Vehicles. So in this project I am using an alcohol sensor, high sensitive alcohol sensor, and an ARM processor and 16x2 LCD display and one GPRS and GPS and GSM modem, alarm and L293D and some LEDs. In this I am using the LabVIEW. So I am going for the explanation of alcohol and the LabVIEW part. So in this we prepared a virtual instrumentation and LabVIEW. In this LabVIEW, the first one we are taking the data from the microcontroller board. Microcontroller will sense the alcohol, how much it is in the air. So I am taking the alcohol. So that alcohol I have to take, and I will give it the alcohol, the input. It will analyze, and it will gives to ARM processor. ARM processor will analyze that alcohol, and whatever it is coming, that alcohol, that value should be sent through LabVIEW. LabVIEW read that values. LabVIEW will read that values, and it analyzes, and it will be plot the graphs. And I am using one garage here in this here. This is an speedometer graph, and if you want to send some data and write buffer will send the data. So actually I am going to present only the alcohol. Suppose the actual value, it is coming for 9801. It is taking on the air. Actually the alcohol in air. So if I take that alcohol, that graph will also changes. So I am taking alcohol, that is 39. Okay, 39. Okay, 8. Okay, you can observe 11. Okay, it is going for the 52. Forty, 49, 52. 255, 152. So it is changing. You can observe it is changing. Okay, so whenever we are giving the input to the board, that board will measure that alcohol, and that alcohol graph along with the meter, it will shows how much it was taken. Okay, so it continuously shows how much exactly it is. So it will read that alcohol values and speed. There is no speed. Why? Because we are not giving the input to the write buffer. If you are giving the input to the write buffer, that value should be uploaded onto the microcontroller board, and that board will analyze that whether you press the one button or two button according to the 1 and 2. And here the one for the operation will starts according to the alcohol and the speed, means the person will start the engine. So then only the motor will be starts. Otherwise, if they cannot give any input to the LabVIEW, that motor cannot operates. Okay, so this is the process. If you are giving the input, $255, 255 to 157, 193, 180, 140, 39, 40. Yes, exactly, it is coming proper. So this is a high sensitive alcohol sensor. It will measure the alcohol in the air. Okay, thanks. So I'm going to press 1 on this button. Okay, I'm going to press 1 on this button. Okay, so the motor will be starts. Okay, the motor working process will starts. Okay, and alcohol, there is no alcohol. Why? Because it is a small one. Alcohol with respect to speed. Okay, if I am giving the alcohol, it is coming the speed. Are you observing? Okay, it is a normal speed. So there is no alcohol. After 28th count, it will send one information to the latitude value and longitude value that was uploaded into the into that one. Okay, in my today is the 9th date, so I have to give the refresh. Yes, latitude point, longitude point, 10 alcohol, 100% speed, and the date is 8th, means it is taking that system time 21/8. So it's a night time. The server is in maybe in US and UK. It was taken that time only. Okay, so here the speed also will shows on the shows, and we will it is going on the 100 speed. So no alcohol. Okay, if I am giving the input to the alcohol, you take the latitude value, longitude value, and it was sent. Okay, %30. Okay, 30%. It will take the alcohol. 30%. It will take the alcohol, and it goes for the latitude value and longitude value, and it will send the particular SMS GPRS sent 30%, and it will upload it into that how much the alcohol is also coming. Okay, it's in 40 speed it is, and GPRS sent 120, so it is in 30% and above. 120, 118, 116, 115, 113, 112. So it was about 255. You can observe about 255, and 40 is the speed. Okay, so it is asking for the, it was not giving the data from this board, so it was stopped. Actually that board will ask you to that counting of 2 minutes of time. This robot will also rotating in a slow speed. Once it reaches the zero, the motor will stop and it will send one SMS to the owner of that LED should be on, and it captures that latitude value, longitude value, and it will send the particular SMS to the owner's mobile phone. Trip, the relay is tripped, latitude value, longitude value, vehicle stops, the engine will also stops, robot stops, and LED should be on. All LED should be on. Buzzer is the continuous glowing. Okay, so vehicle is stops. So you have to restart this kit. So this is the process. So in our process, this is an ARM board having an general purpose board, L293D, 1 transistor for the buzzer, 16x2 LCD display, MAX 232, 1 GSM modem, it's a relay coil, this is a GPS module, and this is SIM 900. Here this is an SIM card, alcohol sensor, and the LabVIEW. Program is written in the embedded C language. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.